Alright, so I want to get my opinions on this video by Jerryringeverything after watching it. Because, to be honest, this was probably the craziest video I've seen in a very long time. I'll leave a link down below in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. But pretty much what he does is Honor sent them their new foldable phone, but disassembled. And his job, and what they want him to do, is assemble the foldable phone himself. Which, I'll be honest with you, I have never seen a tech reviewer have to do this or, do this in a video. So this was like one of those videos, especially when it comes to foldable phones, how delicate everything is. The inside displays, right? The batteries, every little detail. You need to make sure you're careful or else you could break it within seconds. And he does it. I mean, he is able to put this thing together with, based on what I understand, not much instructions at all. Just simply based on the fact that, yes, he has torn apart / broken down millions upon millions of phones. So it's not like, this is his first rodeo. But still, though, I mean, even when putting the actual foldable glass on right here, I mean, I was kind of getting anxious myself thinking, like, if he messes up or he pushes in the wrong place, you guys already know how delicate this foldable glass actually is. This is actually, like, again, like I said, I can't stress enough how crazy a video this actually was. But he does end up putting it together, and over time, he makes sure that it's all good and it does work, which is, I mean, obviously it was going to work. I knew that because if it didn't, he wouldn't have uploaded the video, obviously. But the fact that he did this all and it works, this shows, first off, not only, his level of expertise when it comes to this field, but also Honor. Like, they're really trusting, instead of just showing off their device normally, to show it off with, him putting the phone together. And I'm going to tell you right now, right? This, when they say it's paper thin, this foldable phone is ridiculous. There's no way this phone is that thin. I mean, hold up. Let me go ahead and move my face real fast. I gotta move my face over here. I'm gonna make my face a little bit smaller here so we can really appreciate the thinness of this phone. It does have a gigantic camera bump. That is a fact. But look at it versus the Z Fold 5. This phone is so much thinner than the Z Fold 5, which in my opinion is already a great thin phone, especially with the new hinge and everything. This is absolutely insane. I gotta give Honor props on this one, because first off, it does have a beautiful outside display. It has an 8-inch inside display. It has pretty much everything you could ever want on a foldable cell phone. And I wish so bad this was international and not only released in China, because I would probably pick this up myself. And even the outside, I mean, you can see right here, again, it does have that candy bar-esque cell phone, that Google Pixel Fold cell phone on the outside. And of course, it is very, very usable. The bezels are also very nice. Now, I don't really have a problem with the bezels on any foldable cell phone. I've said this many times. With the Surface Duo 1 had the worst, and I still do not think that was that much of a problem. The Z Fold 5, I know, has bezels on the outside. It's not that big of a problem. Google Pixel Fold 2. But I will say they did a really good job of removing most bezels on this outside display. And in the inside display, same thing, very much bezel-less. And he, again, put together all this. That just shocks me to see some, again, I know he's not just a YouTuber, and, he knows what he's doing, but it's just, it was crazy to me. It was absolutely insane to me. Because I've seen these phones break so easily. I mean, so easily. And to see, everything work perfect, that's very much surprising. But again, like I said, if this was international, I would probably pick up the new Honor phone. It definitely has that, it factor about it. The problem is, again, it's not international. And I'm not going to, be able to pick it up from China because I don't live in China. So it sucks. It is what it is. But overall wise, great video by Jerryringeverything. Again, link down below in the description to his channel if you want to check out this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.